I wasn't going to make a video until I saw this. I'm in the middle of a second/third ADP experiment, and I noticed something really interesting on this bowl again. In the alum video, I also showed you the difference between this kind of bowl, plastic, and a blue glass, drinking glass. So I'm going to show you something. So before I show you that, these were done in a glass. Let's see if I can get this. So they're going to be really small to see, but they're like quartz points, but these are ADP crystals. But you see how the bottom is, snowflake, ice-like, and thin, right? They were done in the glass, and I'll show you it just in case. So they were done in here. I got a whole bunch of experiments going on. So that's what they were done in, and they're put off to the side. There's a whole bunch of other ones in different colors, in different experiments and everything. But what I wanted to show you is, so here was the bowl that it was in. Here, right? And I took this out gently. Okay? Now I gotta get this focused, so hold on one second. I gotta move this green stuff out of the way. Alright, I gotta be gentle because of the way this formed. It's really, really awesome. So, can you see how they're flat? So instead of, let me get one to compare it. So instead of growing like snowflake and like that, and then growing crystals upwards, in this white, I guess it's porcelain bowl, it grew crystals, but it grew them flat. And it's awesome. I don't want to mess it up. So, I just broke one piece. They're delicate. So, you can see they're flat, right? Let me see if I turn it over on its side. You see that? That is friggin' awesome. So, instead of having clusters grow out of a snowy base, it's growing, and this isn't even 24 hours. And the reason I'm doing this now is because I want to see what they look like if they were holding the green. I didn't expect to see this. It is so cool to see that. So hopefully you can pick that up. So you get a see-through, clear, glassy bottom that crystallized in rectangles and remained flat. So I guess it's not, well, yeah, a rectangle, but look at that. So I gotta be really gentle. So I just wanted to share that with you in case you're in the middle of this. And I don't know when I'm gonna put these videos up, but so now over here, and then what I also noticed is some of these little quartzy points are going to be very difficult on their own. So now I'm going to take these and hang them or something, see if I can get like a nice big giant point, which I'll show you in a second. It almost filmed it. Let's see here. I don't want to go too long. So you see that right there, right? I'm going to show you what that looks like. So it looks like this. This is natural quartz. These are some kind of fertilizer, phosphorus, nitrogen, something. They're called ADP powder, and then you make them into crystals. So I just wanted to share that with you, and then hold on one second here. I wasn't prepared for this, but I got so excited. And so then over here is this bowl, and again you can see how they're flat like that, and they sort of held the green. I'm glad it didn't come out deep green. Now I don't really know. Looking at some of the crystals, they look clear, and some look green in there, but we'll see what happens. So I just wanted to share that. So if you're into experiments, like I'm doing a coffee mug, the blue glass I showed you, this guy here, and so these are, let's see if I can show you real quickly. So those are more pieces that I grew in the glasses, and, or did I? Oh, no. I actually did some of them in the blue glasses, and did I grow them in here as well? I can't remember. Hold on a second. Blue glasses was that. And yeah, I did it. I did it in these as well. So they came out in this glass, in the blue glass, with the snowflake, icy base, and then they grew the crystals upright. But totally different in that porcelain. And it did the same thing with the alum. It grew the alum crystals awesome in that kind of porcelain bowl. All right, so what I'm just going to do is I'm going to probably divide the liquid, and I'm going to probably put this one on its own to see what will happen. Now the thing is, if they start growing really beautiful clusters upright but remain thin as a thin base, then that's not going to be good, but we're going to try it anyway. and then I'll put maybe this back in as a just like it is, and let it grow. See what happens. Anyway, I haven't decided yet, and I got some little pieces over there. Just wanted to share that with you because you can see a distinctive difference in that from glass to that bowl. All right? Lots of love to you. Bye.